Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister are very well. I come back with another tutorial video. This video only make for Fluxon related. So I hope you will be stay with me for information. So now first off I introduce my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is crypto and travel. There is a two part, one part crypto related video uploaded in this and other part travel related video uploaded in this. If you get any information those way, please subscribe and press the bell icon. You will receive all notifications very fast. Okay, so I have tried to many times earning site in my YouTube channel. So if you subscribe and press the bell icon, you will receive all notification very fastly. Okay, and you can joining and buy earn from my site. So that's the main topic of Fluxon. Here is a viewer is online published. So Fluxon is gone. Fluxon is not payment to the their member. So many of the people are shares for this information. uh, I also anxious because of my already two payment is now pending. So that reason I also too afraid this time. Uh, but it's when their group meeting is opening, they also already confirmed that they also payment to time, so it's processing more very slowly. So if you want to wait for you get payment is very as soon as possible. They also always time inform to each member uh, they paid to every member within 72 hours. So many people are worried and afraid for 62 66 60 hours already gone, but they cannot receive payment. I also too I cannot receive at this moment. So now I go to withdraw option for show you. That is the under processing is the 23 November. My pay dollar was not completed. So and another $2 already pending. So I hope it will be payment made as soon as possible, uh, because two reason. One of the reason of their remote and also Binance related information. So you know the US government some action about Binance. So that reason Fluxon was using Binance. So uh, it so many of the people are just problem and withdraw problem, you know, one of the reason. And other reason, many of the earning mining site was gone. Most of the important site was cause already gone. That reason many of the people panic and they try to withdraw from all investment in this site. That reason withdraw already fault. This all fault is totally panic. Okay, and now we are waiting for this payment. So uh, many of the people already uh, waiting to 66 hours, but they cannot receive this. But Fluxon was paid now. I have already proved that. So I cannot receive this any at now. But Fluxon try to uh, payment to every member. Okay, I have a withdraw proof available here. So I was collected from this record from Fluxon official site. So already only 80 member also payment request and uploaded this site. Here is a on payment proof. Is the fault again, and this payment was already made. Okay, so another payment already was made. Okay, so if you go to withdraw related information, you go to their official page. Okay, so here is the last image uploaded in this site. So wait now, I think they also pay payment to uh, yeah, so each members very sorry. uh, Here is a notification. There are for all members. Please be patient and wait for withdrawal to arrive. If you withdraw exceed 72 hours, please contact the manager promptly. If you not has been more than 70 hours, please wait. Shani, do not ask question again. Okay, you can, if you want to receive within 72 hours or 72 hours over, then you must be connect with their official manager, so Vivian, and contact withdraw proof, withdraw related info, image, all correct form, and they and share to him. I think it will be processed. The we are waiting. I also waiting for when I receive this. Um, Here is it's not a matter. So if Fluxon was gone, it's not a matter. Every each and every side is come to for few months, few 1 year, and is gone. So when you new project come, you must be join this. Here is some positive available here. Wrong, and also Noble Pass, and also Passion One, Fuji Ubud, also Payment for Galaxy Cash, and also Bybit. Okay, so if you want to earning from this, you can watch this video and most probably join now. Here is the initial payment site available here. So here is the best of the instant payment site is Bybit, and also on a second patient one, and also Galactic Cash also true, and also Novopass BD and Raw. So if you join this site, you will very as soon as early earning from this site. What's the reason of Fluxon payment pending? You can comment, type in my comment box. And if you receive this payment in from Fluxon site, please comment now. Take care your self. Pray for me every time. Remember to Allah. Take care yourself. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.